Why placebo? Why do we need a control group? A placebo is something that looks and feels just like the thing you're testing, except that it's neutral. So, for example, if you're testing some medication, then a placebo is a pill that looks just like the real medication, except there's no medicine in it. Let's imagine that a situation like this happens, that scientists are testing some medication, and after a year of testing it on 1,000 people, 7 of them died. Does that mean the medication is dangerous? I mean, 7 people died, for crying out loud. Well, the real answer is it depends. Why? Because people die anyway. So the real question is 7 out of 1,000 a normal number, or higher than normal, or lower than normal? Well, we can't answer that until we know what normal is. And that's where the placebo or control group comes into play. Imagine we give the treatment to 1,000 patients and 7 of them die. We don't know if that 7 is a high number or a low number unless we have another group of 1,000 patients to compare with. That would be the control group where we give the patients the placebo. If it turns out that of the 1,000 patients in the control group, 15 of them die, then we know that our medication is probably not dangerous because 7 is less than 15. If, on the other hand, of the 1,000 patients in the control group, if only 1 died, then we definitely ought to look into the safety of the treatment. So in statistics, often a standalone number doesn't tell us much. We always need to compare our number with something else. Sometimes we compare our number with a known result or a previous result or an expected result. So for example, in this inequality, I'm comparing a proportion P with the number 1/2, which comes up pretty often in statistics because it represents a 50% or 50-50 random chance. In a controlled experiment, we often compare the outcome of the treatment group or experimental group with the outcome of the placebo group or the control group.